Welcome to our channel. If you received an employer credit card and need to activate it online, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your card for business expenses. Step 1. Locate the activation website URL provided with your employer credit card. This information is usually found on a sticker attached to your card, in your welcome packet, or in an email from your employer or the card issuer. Step 2. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the activation website. Look for the Activate Card or New Card Activation button on the homepage. Step 3. Enter your 16-digit credit card number in the designated field. This number is embossed on the front of your card. Carefully type all digits to avoid activation errors. Step 4. Provide your personal identification information as requested, which may include your social security number, employee ID, date of birth, or other verification details specified by your employer. Step 5. Enter the 3-digit CVV security code located on the back of your card. This code is usually found in or near the signature panel and provides additional security. Step 6. Create your online account credentials by choosing a username and password. Follow the password requirements shown on the screen, typically including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 7. Set up security preferences, such as alerts for transactions, spending limits notifications, and two-factor authentication if available. These features help protect your account from unauthorized use. Step 8. Review and accept the cardholder agreement and terms of use. Submit your activation request and wait for confirmation. You should receive an email or on-screen message confirming your employer credit card is now active and ready for authorized business purchases. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.